Some respite for Kingfisher Airlines employees. The grounded airline starts clearing its salary dues of the engineering technicians as well as pilots. It was a strong run-up for the stock today. Let's get in Kartika Trehan, who now joins in for more details. Kartika, finally signs of revival kicking in.
Well, absolutely. If you see there, employees are seeing some sense of a revival at this point in time because the employees have managed to get salaries. Now, these are the salaries which are due for the last 8 to 9 months of the company. The company had last cleared salaries close somewhere in the month of May. However, these salaries are not given to all their employees at this point. There are only some engineers, technicians and some of the pilots who've been discharged the salaries, and most of these salaries are from the lower salary brackets, anywhere between 15,000 to 20,000 or little over that. However, at this point, we are also understanding that most of this money would come in from the DRGO's money, which is likely to be pumped into the UB holding. So some of that fund, though the company has not mentioned how much of it will be possibly utilized for the Kingfisher Airlines revival plan. However, some of that funds would possibly be used to clear most of the dues at this point. The company is sitting with a lot of dues to the salaries and also in terms of dues to the airport authorities at this point in time to have their entire parking charges over here. So these are the dues which the company would be possibly clearing in the near future, because the company has plans to go ahead and start operations pretty soon. However, we learn at this point that the group holding, which is the United Breweries Holding, has also hiked its loan limit for the ailing carrier from the current 300 crore rupees to 750 crore rupees. So for the same, the company has sought for approvals from the shareholders at this point. So once that shareholders approval goes through, the company would also be able to hike this loan limit going forward, which will also help them in clearing most of their debts at this point in time. So yes, you can sense couple of more revival plans that Kingfisher Airlines is finally working on, at least to set their entire aviation business back on track.